Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a important design, and this is a wing nut design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this body is looking perfect, okay. And this body is a wing nut design, and this is isometric view, and this body is a 2D drafting is also, and this is a top view and front view, and this right view, okay. This is a help of this body is designed easily and clearly, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful, okay. This is a perfect and correct, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and so nice looking here. And this thread is also available here, and this thread is a M7 multiply 1, M7 size 7 millimeter, and this is a size M7, and pitch is 1 millimeter, and all is perfect and correct, okay. This body is designed, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, let's start here. This body is design, okay. And at first select a part, and some setting is a very important. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, okay. And this plane is white, okay. All is perfect, and this 2D drafting is a okay. At first drawing this 24 millimeter, this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 16 millimeter, and both side is a upward and downward. This is a 16 millimeter, and this back side is a 24 millimeter, and use this lofted boss and create this body, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and use a thread, okay. At first select a plane is top plane, and this is a plane is created here, okay. And this length is 16 millimeter, okay. This length is 16 millimeter, this is a 16 millimeter, okay. And at first select a top plane, sketch, drawing a big circle, and big circle is 24 millimeter, okay. This is a 24 millimeter is correct, okay. And this is a correct, and exit, and select this plane, sketch normal, and again select this circle is drawing a small, and this align a dimension, this diameter is a 16 millimeter is perfect, and exit. And both circle is drawing here, okay. And both circle is drawing here easily and clearly, and use a lofted boss. And at first circle is automatic, this profile is select here, and next circle is select this, okay. This is a perfect, and this is a correct, okay. And click, this is a okay. This is a perfect, okay. This body is drawing here, and click OK. And this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, okay. This is a perfect, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and drawing a circle, and align this dimension, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter is cut out, and cutout is a through all, and extrude cut is apply here and use a through all. Okay, through all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is looking perfect. And next is a use a thread. Thread is very important, and use a thread, and thread is a this click this okay, and apply this, and offset is a 3 millimeter and direction is okay. This is a perfect. And guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this offset is 3 millimeter is direction is reverse direction, and this length is 20 millimeter, and metric type is very important, and size is M7 and pitch is 1. Okay, M7 multiply 1, size is M7 and pitch is 1 millimeter, and okay, all is this cut thread is okay, and this use a right-handed thread. Okay, all is perfect, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is activated this thread, and thread is very nice looking here, and material is apply here and use a chromium plate. Okay, and this body is looking also okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, next is a okay, next is use here this is a this wing is created here, and this length is 18 millimeter, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here, and this red diameter is 17 millimeter. Okay, at first select a right plane and sketch normal. Okay, and at first draw a center line and drawing a midpoint to this origin point, and click OK. And this is this select a line edge and use a convert entities. Okay, and at first drawing a circle is this circle is drawing here, and this align a dimension, and this dimension is a 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance is a this to this okay, and this distance is a this to this is a 18 millimeter, and this to this distance is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is created here, this to this. Okay, automatic select a tangent, and next is a next line is click here, and this to this. Okay, and also use this to this is a tangent. Okay, and trim use this is a cutout. Okay, this wing is created here easily, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is a this all is select here, and click this about this. Okay, and this wing is also created here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is better, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, because this thickness is 5 millimeter is correct, and click OK. This wing is also perfect. and some is hole is this space is created here, and okay, and sketch and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a fulfill, and also use this sketch and convert entities and use a extrude boss, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a, and some use this body is extra, but this body is cut out, and select this face sketch and use convert entities and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, okay, this is a 5 millimeter, direction is downward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and flip side to cut, click OK. Okay, not all is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is use a, this is a very important point is discussed here. 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter, this is a correct, but this fillet is 1.2 millimeter and both side is correct fillet, and use a fillet is a 1.2 and select this first, second, and use this is a this to this and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this click okay, and this edge is select here, and okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and click this to this, and 0.5 is better. Okay, 0.5 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is this is a correct, and next is all is perfect, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and also fillet is used here, and this is a 2 millimeter and select this to, okay, 1, okay, 0.5, okay, and click a fillet. Fillet is a 0.2, click this to this, okay, and some important point is discussed here, and this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a, okay, and this is a 4 is better. Okay, some point is a, okay, this fillet is a both, okay, Okay, this is undo is back side, and also create this extrude boss and use a okay direction is downward and use a flip side to cut and this is a okay. And next is at first select a fillet is this is a 1 millimeter and select this okay, and as this is a this to select this and this, and 2 millimeter is better, 2 millimeter is also 1.2 is 1.2 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And next fillet is use here 1.2 is select this and this and this all 4 edges, select here and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and use again fillet, and fillet is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a select here this first and second and okay fourth, and this is use a fifth and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. This is a better, and all is perfect and this is a correct. Okay. Okay guys, all point is discussed here guys. I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys. Welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body is design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here and all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is a very important, and this use a going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is use equal. Okay, but this point is connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already select here 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click a both circle is, press a control button, is this both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a, this is a 17 millimeter and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay, and next is a, this is a 1 because this is a 4, use a linear pattern, and this distance center, this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a, this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point is this, use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better. And construction line, okay, and this line is extra, is delete here, okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction. And this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this two circle, okay, and all two circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent, connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a, okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this to this, okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent, okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent, okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle, okay, and select a 3 line is also equal, okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter, this cutout is a 72 millimeter, okay, 106 millimeter is, this is a use a this to this, okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter, 130 millimeter is perfect, and this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect, okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter, and 72 millimeter, and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72, okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent, okay, all is fully defined, because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct, but some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this, okay, this is a delete here, and also this is delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect, click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter, and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is use a 98 millimeter, and this is a 56 millimeter 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch, a line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular. All is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay. And two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line. Line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select this, and also connect. Select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay. Okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay. Okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet. Fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98. Okay, not connect here because this is use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this use a okay. This line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a okay. This is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here. Delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this. and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. This line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a okay. Okay, this is use this. Okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is a okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this and use a this, okay, because and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important, and exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this, select here, and use a first second both is a, and click okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide because this board is looking perfect, and also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click ok, okay, this is a perfect, but combine use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine and also use this and select this to all is added here, and click ok, all body can okay added here, and click ok, unable to create, okay, this is not perfect, and use a nickel is perfect, okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here, this is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1 and the chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer, okay, and also use this and also use this 1 by 1 because this is not use a multiple, click ok, and use a chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this, okay, and okay, this use this edge, okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here, and okay, okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click ok, and also this face is select here and use this face, click ok, and this face and this face is okay, and last is a remaining, click this face, okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a okay, okay, all is perfect looking here and okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.